everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called I Am the Moon. I am the moon. You can see me bright in the night sky when you're looking up from the earth. I'm held in place by Earth's strong gravity and by my weaker gravity. Gravity is that what pulls things to the ground. When you drop or let go of something, gravity keeps me from drifting into space. Gravity holds me in place as I circle around the earth, and while I'm circling the earth circles the sun. My gravity pulls all the oceans on the earth. When you visit the ocean and the water is rolled way back from the beach, that's me, the moon, creating low tide. When you see the water push away up onto the beach, and it covers all the sea creatures and washes away your sandcastle, that's me, the moon, creating high tide. Don't worry, you can still see all the creatures again and build another sandcastle during the next low tide when I pull the water away from the beach again. As I move around the earth, the same side of me always faces the earth. That's why there's a near side and far side from the moon. As I move the earth, the sun brightens up some parts of me, leaving the other parts in darkness. That's why I sometimes look like a sideways smile, or half of me looks like it disappeared. When you can see my whole face shining bright, I'm called a full moon. When I seem like I'm gone from the sky because my face is in darkness, then I'm called a new moon. Other planets have a whole bunch of moons, but I am only the moon for Earth. If you wanted to visit me, it would take you 2 days of flying in a spacecraft before you would land on my surface. People who can fly to spacecrafts are called astronauts. There are only 12 people who have set foot on my surface. If you want to study hard in school, maybe one day you can walk on me too. But don't forget your space helmet. Because there's no air to breathe up here, so you have to bring your own. When the sun shines bright on me, I get really hot. When the sun goes down, it gets really cold. So astronauts must wear space suits to protect themselves. There are a lot of rocks on my surface, so astronauts need a strong pair of boots that will keep them from slipping, and to protect their feet from the heat and cold, because I have weaker gravity. People visiting my surface and find that things are much lighter. That means lifting a car or an elephant is easier but make sure the elephant brings a space helmet to wear. Astronauts visit my surface accidentally drop something like their lunch or their favorite toy. They'll have plenty of time to catch it before it hits the ground. Weak gravity makes things fall more slowly. Weak gravity also makes it easy to jump super high. Right now, scientists are planning to build a space station on me so people can visit and live on my surface. Would you like to visit the moon? I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!